Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fix sold out on Shopify if you are using AutoDS, because this is very common and I have watched some videos, but there aren't a lot of people that talk about this. So I will show you exactly how to fix this. Okay, so first thing you need to do is you want to log in, which is very obvious. You just need to log in into your Shopify dashboard. Okay, now after that you want to click on products. Okay, so after you click on products, you want to find the product you have a problem with, which shows as sold out. Okay, so I'm going to click on this product. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see here all the variations. Okay, if the product has multiple variations, you want to just toggle it on. Okay, just toggle all of these variations here. Now after that you want to click on here these three little dots and then click on continue selling when out of stock. Okay, just enable this temporarily fix. Just to fix this temporarily, I will show you right now how to fix this problem right now. Okay, so after you do that, after you're able to click, if you are not able to click on that, don't worry, I will show you exactly what to do. So first you want to click on bulk edit. Okay, so after you click on bulk edit, here is the quantity. You will be able to see the quantity. You can change it to 10, for example. Just change the quantity here. You will be able to see the location, the address. Okay, you want to change it to 10 or whatever. As you can see, just make this like this and then change the quantity. Okay, so after that you want to click here in the top right for columns, and then you want to scroll down and you want to search for stocked at. Okay, and also you want to check this one that says continue selling when out of stock, and that's it. Now you scroll down and make sure you toggle this on. Okay, for all the variations, make sure you toggle this on. As you can see, check this box. Make sure you where it says enter continue selling going out of stock. Okay, so stocked at, as you can see, I'm going to move all the way through to the right, and it says here stocked at, as you can see. Okay, here you will be able to see AutoDS. Okay, just click on stock at this location, then change the number. Here I'm going to change the number to, for example, 10 here. Okay, if it's allowing you to do that, you want to change the quantity. Okay, if it's not allowing you, you want to go to AutoDS, remove the product from your own Shopify store and re-import it from AutoDS. That's going to fix the problem. Okay, just do that and you will be able to fix the problem. It's very, very simple. So if this thing doesn't work, don't worry, just get out of everything, and after that you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Okay, so after that you want to click on shipping and delivery, and then you want to click on create a custom profile. I'm going to remove the profile I have created just a few seconds ago. I'm going to click on delete profile so they can show you exactly how you can create a new profile. Now you just need to click here, click on create custom profile here. Okay, so after that you want to name this whatever you want. Customers will not see this. Okay, new profile, for example. Now after that you want to add all the products you have a problem with that shows as sold out. Okay, after that you want to click on done. Now after that you want to scroll down, and here you will be able to see fulfillment location. You want to choose here AutoDS. Okay, click on it and then click on a new rate for import for AutoDS. Okay, click on done. Now make sure you add the shipping zone. As you can see, it says here add the zone and rate to ship from these locations. Click on add shipping zone and then name the zone whatever you want. Again, your profile, whatever. Select the shipping locations. Click on done. Now next you want to add the rate. Now here the customer rate you want to add standard, and here the price of the shipping, it's up to you. You can add whatever you want. For me, it's going to be free. So just click on done, click on save. Now you want to go and you want to wait a few seconds and then check the product if it's still showing as sold out. Now that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to check if it's still showing as sold out or not. I'm going to click on products and I'm going to click on this view on online store, and let's see if it's showing sold out. As you can see, the problem is fixed, as you can see. So that's all you need to do to fix out of stock problem with your Shopify product pitch. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helped you. Please, if this one helped you, please drop a like. That would be highly appreciated. If it doesn't help you, let me know in the comments. I may try to reply to you with a solution. Okay, so just comment below and I will show you exactly what to do. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you.